is a video from Gary's Tours. It's in 4K, 60 frames per second. We're walking up Broadway from 89th Street. And the colors should be very bright. The sun is to my back. Everything should be properly lighted up. And the colors, I hope, are beautiful. If you like walking tours like this, just punch the subscribe and like button on the lower right hand side of the screen. Subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is you get a flash notification on your phone whenever we publish a video for about 3 seconds. And that's it. It's free. You should think about it. Helps us. And if you hit a like, that helps the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, believe that you like us. This is Broadway. Notice Broadway here is two ways. Another few blocks south of here comes one way in the south only. City Diner. This is a highly residential, expensive area. This is the Upper West Side of Manhattan. Beautiful here. This is being brought to you by Gary's Tours in 4K and 60 frames per second. It's the best quality that an iPhone 15 Pro Max can deliver to you. What do we have up here? Things to look at. Looks like we have a flower shop, maybe, and a restaurant. We have a barber shop here. How about that? Hot towel. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. And vegetables. Lots of vegetables. And newsstand. How about that? I'm going to stop talking for a while. Probably not talk as much. You can enjoy what they're looking at.
TikTok?
TikTok and YouTube. Little Italy pizza. How about that? Metro Fremont. Psychic reading. Lots of those in New York. Amsterdam and 92nd Street. Cool.
I know I'm good.
More brownstones. I think personally they're beautiful. A long time ago, these were going for like 100,000 a piece. Now they're going for like 12.5 million per unit. And there's usually 4 units in each brownstone. Lots of Teslas in New York City. Because you don't drive very far in New York City. 10 miles a day is a lot. Some people think you're better off with a bicycle. In New York City, there's a lot of bicycles around. Or just grab a city bike. Citibank sponsors bicycles. For $165 a year, you get a contract where then you pick one up, drop it off at another Citibank location where there's bicycles. That's it. You have no responsibility, no maintenance. You get regular rides or electric, depending upon what you pay. No parking problems. $21. 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. out by 8 p.m. Not bad. Looks like school's getting out soon. School buses are lined up. Must be a school here. Medical building, maybe? I told you in previous videos we see these things they're working on doing work high up in the building. They don't want you to get hit with a 2x4 and nails, anything of that nature. This is Columbus Island. I'm gonna walk south on Columbus for a few blocks and see what we can see. Tells you how long the buses will be before they get there. You can see that sign. That's the Trinity School there. Lots of babies in New York City. Population is safe. Construction over there too. Walk signal here. Mount Sinai doctors. Urgent care. How about that? Must be near Mount Sinai. Feels like it's getting hotter and hotter, by the way. Amazon Pond. Those big sacks of stuff up in the street and have people run around to the street. Places. Bedroom landing. That's the taxi. Walking in the shade, it is hot out here today. Dwayne Reed is over there, a drugstore. Rebecca's Pediatrics. We're nowhere near Tribeca, by the way. Rebecca's about 4 miles south of here. Alright, video fans. If you like this video, punch the subscribe and like button on the lower right hand side of the screen. And it's free, it doesn't cost you anything. You just get notified when we publish a new video. Thanks for watching.